Leah.
Hi.
What are you making?
I'm making for mommy to make to wife a pizza. Like.
I thought we were making tamales. Are we making tamales?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're mixing up the flour with the water.
Okay, I'm making.
Those are the tamales that she already made.
Let's turn this up. Wow.
These are the tamales that Mom made over here. Ready for steaming. Leah's a pretty good tamale maker. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.